Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to grind any piece of pork into ground pork using a knife. You can use defrosted frozen pork or you can use fresh pork. Grind it and then freeze it. When you grind your own pork, you know it is 100% coming from the cut of pork you're using. It tastes a lot better and it's a lot cheaper for the quality you're getting. If you have watched my ground chicken videos, the method is the same but easier because of its texture. Let's go, I'll show you how. To prevent your cutting board from moving around, place a silicone baking mat or a damp cloth underneath it. Here's a slice of defrosted boneless pork loin chop. You can use any cut of your choice. If you're using a bone-in cut, then you will start off by removing the bones with a knife. Once the bones are removed, and in this case there are no bones, we are going to slice the pork thinly. There are many ways to do that. My favorite way is to slice on a bias, which means slicing the pork diagonally by placing your knife at a 45-degree angle. That way we get thin slices of meat that are larger in surface area than when cut straight. When the pork has been sliced, turn it 90 degrees so that the length of the pork slices are perpendicular to the blade of the knife. Now cut these pork slices into smaller bits by slicing across their shorter side. Some of these pieces are still a bit long, so I sliced through them a few more times to make them smaller. The mincing begins. Start chopping the pile of pork pieces from one end to the other, then go back and forth like this. Then use the blade of your knife to fold about a third of the minced pork into the center. Continue mincing, but this time chop from the bottom to the top to the bottom, then to and fro. You can either shift your standing position to do this or rotate the cutting board 90 degrees. Then repeat the previous step, fold the minced pork, mince in the opposite direction. Keep repeating this folding and mincing process, alternating directions each time. Stop when your pork is minced to your desired texture. Okay, I think this is the texture of the ground pork that I want. Transfer it to a bowl and it's ready to use. Look at this consistency. 100% ground pork loin. It's so convenient and you'll save a lot more for this premium quality ground pork. You can also freeze this in Ziploc bags and it will last in the freezer for months and months. Today I'm making the Chinese dish mapo tofu with this 100% ground pork loin. You can see how it cooks. Once you grind your own pork, I think you would prefer its taste and cost savings over store-bought ground pork.